If you're looking to take AI and connect it with Google Ads to take your management to the next level, look no further. Stop scrolling on YouTube. Stop opening bunch of videos in the new tabs and get more confused. This video has it all. I promise that by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use AI and leverage your Google Ads account to the next level. A lot of people already using AI to leverage their Google Ads account because today it's all about the AI hype, right? But not all of them do this properly. Some of them choose to talk with ChatGPT in between, trying to understand which campaign works better. Some of them take it a step further and they can export the data, export the reports from Google Ads and import it into AI. What I'm about to show you is something that takes your game to the next level. And basically it allows to connect AI and Google Ads directly through a solution called MCP. And in this case, we're going to use Zapier, the common automation tool, as our connector to do it. So I'm going to go through the whole process and explain you step by step how you can do it and leverage your game today. The first thing you need to do is to log in into Claude AI, and I'm going to do so now. In your Claude AI account, what you need to do after you logged in is to head left at the bottom, click on your profile, then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, head to Connectors, and in the Connectors, click on Browse Connectors. And here you can see the whole menu. As you probably can see now, there's so many options here to choose from. Claude AI can take Canva and create banners for Google Ads. You can connect it to Gmail so it can help you reply to messages. It can check your calendar, your CRM. Plenty of options, but we don't have much time. So we're going to focus just on Google Ads for this video. So let's scroll down until we see Zapier. I'm going to click on plus. And now we need to set up a server within Zapier and then pass the server URL here. This will be our second step. We need to click on this link or just head to mcp.zapier.com. In the MCP, we need to create a new server, and this will basically serve us as a connector between Claude AI and Google Ads. So let's click on New MCP Server. In the client section, we need to choose Claude AI, and we can name our server Claude MCP Server. Okay, currently Claude AI is not available because I already created one. Now that we have created Claude MCP Server, we have first stage is configure, then connect, and we have the history of operations. So let's talk about configuration. We have set up the server. Now we need to connect tools to this server. And you can see that we can connect more than 8,000 different apps and tools, which is mind-blowing and amazing. I wish there was something like this like 5 years ago. It could make a huge difference. Never mind. Let's click on Add Tool and search for Google Ads. Let's click on Google Ads. And here we have all the actions that the server can do. So all the actions that Claude AI will be able to do once we connect it. And at the bottom, you can see we have API requests. So Claude can use all the features available in Google Ads API. So no need for any white label, building some custom app to do it. It's all here, it's all available, super simple and easy to set up. We're going to click this option and this will select all the tools, all the options together. And now we need to connect our Google Ads account. So let's click on connect. After we connected our account, we need to double check, make sure that it's properly connected, and then select add all Google Ads tools. Afterwards, you will be able to see in the tools section that all the actions were selected properly. And now, after we confirm this, we're going to head to Connect section. And here you have basically all the instructions that you can do, but I'm going to walk you through all of it anyway. Let's click on Copy URL and head back to Claude AI. Let's paste the URL here and click on Continue. Now we need to click here Allow. And that's it. It's connected. Simple as that. Just in few minutes, you have a full integration. Now we're going to test out the connection to see if it actually works. First of all, if we click on this search and tools icon, we can see that Zapier is turned on. And if I click the right arrow next to it, I will be able to see all the actions that we have selected previously in our server. So currently they are all active. Let's start by asking question, how many campaigns are active at the moment in Google Ads account ID. And then I'm going to paste the Google Ads ID. And it's very important because we have the connection, but Claude AI doesn't know which account are we talking about. So we need to provide account ID, otherwise you're going to encounter some error. And if you're trying to analyze ads, you need to provide which campaign you're talking about, which ad group we're talking about. So it is very important to mention this context to Claude AI. And afterwards, we click enter. When using Zapier with Claude AI, you will encounter this pop-up, and it shows us that we can allow this action once or always. So what is the difference? Basically, when Claude AI trying to access not just Google Ads, but any tool that is connected, if it's through Zapier or through Calendar, Gmail, whatever, it asks our permission to make the desired action. You can either allow it once and it will bother you each time. You will see this pop up each time it will try to make some actions, and it will ask you for a permission like, can I do this? And you can choose always allow. But the issue with that is that Claude AI can make plenty of changes without you knowing exactly what it does. It's up to you how safe you want to be. My advice is, when using actions, you can check what kind of actions we're talking about. And at this moment, you can see the name of the action. It's Google Ads API request beta version. So what it does, it asks for data from Google Ads through API connection. It does not make any changes in the account. It just pulls out the data. And in that case, I consider this a safe option because it doesn't make any changes. It cannot mess up our account. It just takes the information from it, and that's it. But some of the actions are more proactive and they make actual changes in your account, and you want to be extra safe with that. For those changes, I would allow once. For changes like this, I would select allow always. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll be glad to help you out. Let's click on allow always. Claude AI has easily analyzed, and it shows that we have 2 active campaigns in the moment, 2 enabled, 8 paused, and 2 removed. All the information here is correct. Now, if we want to take it to the next step, we can start asking questions regarding the delivery metrics, conversions, etc. You can actually take the account audit template that we have, the link is in the description, and use it within Claude AI to get automated insights about your account without needing manually to go over the settings. Just imagine how you can leverage this if you manage multiple different accounts for your clients, or you have your own account that has different types of campaigns and many things. It can save you so much time. It can take your Google Ads game to the next level, leave your competitors in the dust. And the most important thing, if you want to stay updated about AI and the most recent features, make sure to like, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.